Hi, you guys. So let's go over the agenda. A couple things are changing this week, and I just want you guys to be aware of them. So, first of all, we have our assessment this week, and so everything is located in that Chapter 4 folder, and it's in the assessment folder. So, we have a study guide, and I'll show you where that's at inside the folder, but you will need to download that, complete the study guide, and then resubmit it to get points. Then you will go over to Big Ideas, and you'll take a practice test that is located on Big Ideas. And then you'll submit your work to that showing work page for the practice test. Then you'll notice we actually have a kind of highlighted section here. This is saying that we have a Zoom meeting Friday at 10:30. So I would really, really like it if you would show up. I tried to catch a lot of you guys last Friday, so that way we could get ready and you guys all were aware of the fact that we had a Zoom on Friday. But this is going to be time to go over that study guide. So Wednesday, Thursday, beginning of the day on Friday, work on that study guide and get ready to ask questions. And then come to our Zoom on Friday to watch, and we can go over that study guide together and come with those questions. That way we can be successful on our test. And then after our Zoom on Friday, we are going to make that test live. So the test will not be accessible until after our Zoom on Friday. And that's because I want you guys to be able to go over the correct answers together, ask those questions together, and then that way we can all be successful on the test. And so that test will show up in the folder after our Zoom meeting on Friday at 10:30. So it'll show up at around 11, and then you can take that test. So that test will be located on Schoology. So just so you are aware, the test is located on Schoology. But this way we can go over all the things that we need to go over together. And so our Zoom link is located here at the top. All you got to do is click that and it'll bring you to us. And so I look forward to seeing you guys on Friday. I'm going to keep saying it. It's Friday at 10:30. So after that, we are going to go over what's in the folder. So all of this will become live to you. Don't worry, it'll be there except the test. So right now it says unpublished. It'll remain unpublished until we meet in the Zoom meeting. But everything else will be live to you. So you will have your study guide. When you click on the study guide, you will see I have attached it here for you. You just download that to your computer, you write on it, and then you're going to resubmit that right here. And then the next thing in that folder is our practice test. This is where you are going to show your work and you're going to submit your work as well as your score from Big Ideas. And that gives you an idea of how you'll do on the test. And then, like I said 100 times already, once we complete those and we meet on Zoom, your test will be live to you, and I will publish that. You can then take your test, and it'll be due at 11:59 on Tuesday. So you'll have all weekend to do it, all day Friday to do it, and you'll even have Monday and Tuesday to do it. I just want to make sure that we have a chance to discuss some things before going into that test. It's kind of a big one. First one of the semester. So, if you've made it this far in the video, I would like it if you would email me and let me know what your favorite animal is and why. So email me, let me know your favorite animal, and I'll know that you watched this video and I'll give you some links bucks. So I'm going to let you get started on that study guide. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. If you can't get to our Zoom, email me and let me know. But the rest of the time is yours.